You can access a legitimate Minnesota state park and a 50-foot waterfall directly from the light rail for less than $3. Before we hit the trail, you need to understand the Metro Transit system. A standard rush hour fare is just $2.50, and transfers are free for 2.5 hours. For the smoothest experience, download the Metro Transit app for mobile tickets. If you're staying longer, buy a physical Go-To card at a kiosk to tap and go effortlessly. Let's start with the crown jewel, Minnehaha Regional Park. Take the Metro Blue Line south from downtown and get off at the 50th Street/Minnehaha Park Station. You are literally steps away from a 53-foot waterfall and limestone bluffs. Hike the Lower Glen Trail towards the Mississippi River for a rugged, wooded feel that makes you forget the city exists. Just one stop further south on the Blue Line is the Fort Snelling Station. This is your gateway to Fort Snelling State Park, but there is a catch regarding the approach. You have to hike down the bluff from the historic fort to reach the river bottom trails. Once there, Pike Island offers a flat, 3-mile loop at the confluence of the Mississippi and Minnesota rivers. For true urban wilderness, head west to Theodore Wirth Park. Take bus route 7 from downtown. This park is actually larger than New York Central Park. Get off at Plymouth Avenue and Wirth Lake. The Quaking Bog loop requires floating boardwalks over an ancient tamarack swamp. It is arguably the most unique ecosystem in the city limits. If you want the classic lake life, take bus route 6 to the chain of lakes. BDE Makaska offers paved perimeter paths, but the nature trails on the north side near the bird sanctuary offer solitude. A quick note on seasons. Minneapolis winters are serious. Transit runs year-round, but park paths often get icy. From December to March, microspikes aren't optional. They are safety equipment. Here is the ultimate Blue Line day trip itinerary. This route minimizes walking on concrete and maximizes time on the trails for under $6 total. Grab your Go-To card and go hit the trails.